Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling the language translation option on Facebook. So if you want to have Facebook posts be translated into a certain language, or perhaps you want it to be changed back into English or a different language, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app on iOS or Android devices and select the profile icon up at the top right. Go down and select the settings and privacy button to expand that menu, and then select the settings button. And then underneath preferences, you want to select language and region. Go ahead and open that up. So where it says languages you'd like to have posts translated into, you can see our language is set to English in here. Click on that. And then you can select any language from the list, and then you would select the Save button to save it. I believe you would need to restart the application in order for the change to take effect, but that's pretty much it at this point, guys. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.